Hey guys, Harsh here and welcome back to Technolobe. As you can see, we are back to the super chill unboxing setup and today we've got major upgrades. Like the main camera over here is the Sony A7C, very new one, a fresh one, and I really like it. On the top down we have the Canon M50 and over here we've got one more Canon M50. So yes, finally I'm not using the iPhone 12. All around we have cameras and it's a very sweet setup. Now today over here we've got the Realme Pad. This is Realme's very first tablet and it's a budget tablet by Realme which starts at 14,000 rupees. I think that the pricing is just amazing and I'm really excited to try out this tablet by Realme. So let's go ahead and unbox the Realme Pad in our super chill way. Alright, I've got my tester over here, so tester OP in the chat guys, tester OP. Now first up, let me quickly go ahead and remove the plastic. Now right up front we have two logos which says high-res audio and Dolby Atmos because this tablet does support them. And on the back side over here we have some specifications written. For example, ultra slim and light, a 10.4 inches display, 7100 mAh battery, Dolby Atmos quad speakers, Helio G80 gaming processor. This is a very good processor, and also an 8 megapixel ultra wide angle front camera. I've got the gold color over here with 4 GB of RAM and 64 GB of internal storage. Well, let's go ahead and open it up. Okay. First up is the tablet itself. I'm quickly going to go ahead and remove the plastic because that's what you've come for, right? Feels cold to the hand and does feel slim as well. Alright, as far as my first impressions go, the design of this tablet is excellent. It looks absolutely stunning in this gold color and it's very slim and lightweight as well. I really like the design language of this tablet. It reminds me of the iPad Air. Yeah, it does remind me of the iPad Air. I have to say Realme has done a good job in terms of the design. But let me quickly go ahead and power on this tablet. Alright, while it switches on, let's see what else do we get inside the box. There is some paperwork over here which is always boring. Then there is a SIM card ejector tool. That is very weird. I think that this is the LTE variant. So yes, I have the LTE variant over here, which means I can put a SIM card in this tablet for data access, and that is excellent. Apart from this, there is a charger inside the box. It's a USB type A to USB type C cable and the output is 9 volt at 2 ampere, which means that this is an 18 watt charger inside the box. So that's the charger and the charging cable. I'm going to keep everything inside and let's get back to the tablet. Time to set it up. Now one thing that I noticed over here is that this tablet does not have a fingerprint sensor. For biometric authentication you will get face unlock, but that's it. You won't get a fingerprint sensor, and I feel it should have been there because fingerprint sensor would have been like the cherry on the cake over here. Alright, the tablet has been set up and it looks like stock Android. Let me go into settings, about tablet, the Realme Pad, and Android version is Android 11 out of the box. So that is excellent that you're getting the latest Android version over here. And the security patch is June. So yeah, security patch is a little behind, but I'm glad to see that it is Android 11 out of the box. Now as far as my initial impressions go, it feels very smooth and the display looks awesome. Like this is a very good display for the price at which this tablet is going to come at. Now I'm going to go ahead and use this tablet for a couple of days and then I'll get back to you. Alright, welcome back. This is it. This is the Realme Pad. I've been using it for a couple of days and I've gathered all my thoughts about it. So let's talk about them. Now there are a couple of points about a tablet which will either make it a very good one or a very bad one. The first and foremost is the display. Display quality matters a lot in a tablet because it's one of the main reasons why you would buy a tablet. You need a bigger canvas and that bigger canvas needs to be good. So how is the display quality on the Realme Pad? I'm glad to say that the display quality on Realme Pad is top notch. It comes with a 2000 by 1200 IPS LCD display. It's a 10.3 inches tablet. It's not a small one like a proper size tablet, and the display quality does not disappoint. Good viewing angles, great colors, it gets bright enough as well, and for the price the display quality is very good. So when you're consuming media on Netflix, Amazon Prime Video, Hotstar, YouTube or wherever else, you will have a very good experience with that display. It also supports Wideband L1 certification, and yes, you can watch HD content on Amazon Prime Video, Netflix and all these applications. So you are sorted over there. All in all, I would say I am not disappointed with the display on Realme Pad. It's a very good one. Now before we move forward, this video is brought to you by The Dot Company. The Dot Company is our own clothing brand and we make some high quality stuff. As a matter of fact, I'm wearing The Dot Company right now. Really comfortable material, really good colors, and the price is honest. Like, it won't burn a hole in your pocket. So definitely check out Dot Company by clicking the link in the description box below and you won't be disappointed. The next point that comes in is the software experience. The software experience on a tablet needs to be good. It should not be a stretched out version of a smartphone because that would not make any sense, right? Realme Pad comes with Realme UI for Pad based on Android 11. Now Realme has not done a lot of tweaking over here. It's basically stock Android and I do appreciate that. I hope that they won't add any unnecessary features and bloatware in future updates. They should keep it like this and that would be just perfect. Now, a big part of the software experience is also the App Store. Now, if we compare the Google Play Store to iPadOS App Store, it's not a fair comparison because iPadOS has great applications just for iPad, and that is not the case with Google Play Store. Like the popular apps out there, Lightroom, Netflix, Spotify, Apple Music, all these do have a tablet version on the Android side of things, but tablet-specific applications are limited on Google Play Store. In that department, iPadOS is still miles better, so please make a note of that. Now, one more important point over here are the speakers. Realme Pad comes with great speakers. They get very loud, like you would not require a Bluetooth speaker. The sound is clear, it does not distort at all, and the speaker quality is just next level. I really like the speakers on Realme Pad. They have done a great job over here and it does not disappoint at all in terms of the speakers. So if you're listening to music or watching anything on Netflix, you will have an excellent experience with that display and the speakers as well. Now, I know you guys might be wondering what about performance. So under the hood, Realme Pad comes with the MediaTek Helio G80 processor and you have two options, 3GB of RAM or 4GB of RAM. The performance of this tablet is excellent for normal stuff. Normal day-to-day stuff like checking your email, watching something on YouTube, browsing through the internet or editing some photos on Lightroom. For all these applications, the MediaTek Helio G80 is a very good processor. But I cannot say the same for gaming. If you play a lot of games, then I would not recommend this tablet. It is meant for normal tasks. It can handle some light gaming, but again, I would not recommend it for long sessions of BGMI or COD mobile. Nope, not happening. For that, you should consider an iPad because iPads are still way better in terms of performance. Like the A series chipsets are just next level. Now, I would recommend you to go with the 64GB variant because 32GB in 2021 is just sad. Like, please go for the 64GB variant. That is highly important. Now, the good part over here is that you can expand the storage via a micro SD card. So you can use a micro SD card up to 1TB and expand the storage. That is highly appreciated. Alright, this gets me to the cameras. So you do get a rear camera as well as a front camera. The rear camera is mainly going to be used for document scanning and nothing else. Because if you're that guy who goes like this, then please don't be that guy. I'm going to say the rear camera is mostly going to be used for document scanning, and for that it is more than enough. But on the front side of things, there's an 8MP camera, which is an important one because this is the one which is going to be used for online video conferencing applications. So let me give you a quick demo of the front camera. Alright, this is a very quick front camera video test with the Realme Pad. Now you guys let me know about the video quality as well as the audio quality coming out of this device because it's going to be mainly used for video calling and stuff. So video as well as audio is important, and let me know what do you think about it in the comment section down below. Apart from this, the Realme Pad comes with a USB Type-C port and headphone jack as well. So you do get the headphone jack over here. They did not skip on it, and that is excellent. On the battery side of things, there's a 7100 mAh battery. This battery easily lasted me throughout the day and then some. I did not face any issues with battery life whatsoever. Battery life on the Realme Pad has been very good for me. On the charging side of things, it comes with an 18-watt charger, which is kind of slow. Like Realme has been on the front line with fast charging technology and they should have given at least a 33-watt fast charger. That would be the perfect scenario. But nope, you get an 18-watt charger and that charging is kind of slow according to 2021 standards. All in all, I'm going to say Realme Pad really impressed me as a tablet. Because of the pandemic, a lot of people are searching a device like this, and well, now you have a very good one in the market. I would highly recommend you to go with the 64GB variant. Do not go with the base variant and thank me later. If you want to buy it, I'll make sure to drop a link to it in the description box below. So anyway, this was my super chill unboxing and quick impressions about the Realme Pad. Do let me know how you feel about this video in the comment section down below. If you like this content, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't already, please subscribe to the channel. It would mean the world to me. My name is Harsh Punjabi and I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye bye.